All right, here's a mobile home cleaning we're going to be doing today. Pretty rough. Several bad spots, but so much of this is indicative of what I do see, and that is unnecessary abuse. What I should be coming into, and just there's dirt tracking, and then there's stuff like this, which God, I don't even know what this is. But people ask me to say, well, I can't keep my carpet cleaned. Well, you can prevent drink spills, you can prevent food stains, and you can prevent Play-Doh in the carpet. I can fix it, but I should be coming here just cleaning dirt, and it is what it is. But if you want to know how to keep your carpet clean, don't eat on it, don't drink on it, don't let your kids play Play-Doh on it. I'll show you guys a little after get done with this. All right, boys and girls, I'm back. Just did this little cleaning just to illustrate things. First off, I don't care what you're using, what chems you're using. You get on a rat nasty, it's been abused, you can get it cleaner, but it's still only so much you can do. I think y'all remember the what it did look like, but in comparison, didn't clean that. So I don't care. I'm gonna give you the dang truth. I could take any wand and clean this carpet and get as good a results. It all comes down to preference. I like the swivel wand from Tony Dane. I'd probably like Tom's, but no way in hell I'm gonna pay $2,000 for a wand, especially one that I abuse the hell out of. But that's just me. I don't have a problem with anybody spending what they have. What I do have a problem is people being convinced that unless they spend that money, they're not gonna get the results. Grow your company, grow your company, grow your company, grow into your company. Lots of us started out, at least myself did, I started off with the FW Services, Service Master, Houndstooth, and I got used to cleaning some of the worst carpets, Georgia red clay, just nasty, 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 but that's where I got good. That was my breaking ground. I didn't just jump out there and start cleaning Miss Pivelton's house. It took time. So you guys that want confidence, find your neighbor, find your grandma, find your auntie, whatever, and clean their carpets. Practice, experiment on your own, but don't go out there thinking you need to spend the most to get the best. You don't. You can clean with an AW29. I started out, I think Courtney said the other day, and it kind of got my heart, was Courtney Lee said he was 5 years on the portable. That was me. That was me, Jeff, I can't remember his name, but Magic Mist. I think he's working at TCS now. I bought my first machine from him 5 years. Then I got a truck mount, and I'm like, good Lord, what was I thinking? But that was what I needed to go through. Learn what you can, guys. Everybody's here to help you. Don't feel like you got to spend $1 million to get results. It's a process, and it takes time, and we're here to help you. But anyway, like I said, this is throwing everything but the kitchen sink at it, and this is what you get. It ain't no miracle, but it's clean. I feel good that if any children come here to go across it, I feel pretty good about it. But this is what it would look like before. Pure out nastiness, lots of abuse. But anyway, guys, this is James. Again, I'm just plugging it because I get sick and tired of people pushing their stuff. So I use Tony Dane's wand. It's a great wand. Like I said, brand new people right out the block. No, I don't recommend. Start with your AW29. Start with a glided wand, for God's sake. Don't go out there and kill yourself, but grow into your company. All right. You guys have a good day. I'm out.